Diapers take hundreds of years to decompose. Babies go through 8,000 diapers. Styrofoam, 5 centuries to decompose. And we go through 25 billion styrofoam cups per year that's actually tossed in the trash. As normal people, we will get rid of 3 pounds of trash per day. That's over 1,500 pounds a year. Personally, myself, I've had classes, research, and I'm actually a recycler. So we all need to learn how to reduce, reuse, and recycle to help prevent more landfills. Let's look at some amazing facts of how much waste we actually create. We're actually creating so much waste currently that we're not able to manage or recycle it. And that's according to Swatch Coin 2018, Managing Waste at Home. 100 million tin and steel cans are put in the trash daily. Pretty amazing. 80 billion pounds of aluminum cans are also put in the trash. And that's according to Ruth Hartnett, 2014, these 7 amazing recycling facts that'll make you think twice. Now, when it concerns the amount of waste that we have in our landfills, it actually will go around our planet 4 times. And it'll actually, as amazing as this is it'll go around the earth 24 times. So, plastic production is 8.3 billion pounds. 6.3 billion pounds went into landfills last year. And that's according to Laura Parker, 2018, a whopping 91% of plastics aren't recyclable. When it comes to food waste, 40 million tons of food waste per year. Paper and board trash, cardboard, 68 million tons. And that's according to Deanne Toto at 2018 EPA. U.S. recycling rate was less than 26% in 2015. As we continue to move forward, we know that we realize we've got a problem. I've told you about the statistics, so let's see the effects that it has. First of all, we can look, as I was explaining earlier, we have the greenhouse gases. And with the greenhouse gases, those are methane and carbon dioxide. Decomposition creates methane, and methane is actually 21 times potency of carbon monoxide. Pretty dangerous, and that's by John Newton, 2018, The Effect of Landfill on Our Environment. Carbon dioxide is also produced during incineration of trash, and that's by the EPA's 2007 Methodology for Estimating Municipal Solid Waste Recycling Benefits. Carbon dioxide is also caused during transportation. Now let's take a look, and let's look at marine life. With the marine life and the ecosystem, it causes a lot of sadness. Whales are dying, and the whale should have at least 80 to 90, sometimes 100 years. But with this, they're not. So let's look at some viable solutions. Some that can help to reduce the effects. And we can find solutions to reduce the amount of waste that we are creating. So let's reuse, and that means donating or repurposing things. Let's use things more than once if we can. The next thing is recycle. It's not that hard to purchase eco-friendly products, or perhaps just taking cardboard to a recycling center. As we look and we move forward, there are clearly two solutions. Some will decide to recycle and other people will decide not to recycle. But let's look at the effects. Recycling, reusing, and reducing conserves natural resources for the people that do recycle. It avoids landfills, pollution, and the biggest thing is global warming. However, for the people that do not recycle, the conservation of our natural resources aren't there. We'll be spending more time and money on land, and that's according to Mr. Rinkish, 2019, the 3 R's, reuse, reduce, and recycle, waste hierarchy. So the main thing is we want to take into action some of the practical actions to support this cause. Reusing tires for swings or perhaps for mulch is a good suggestion. Donating books, PCs, and clothes, because some clothes have plastics. Let's recycle. Use recycled paper. Print on both sides of the paper. And purchase easily recyclable items. If we took action, the environment would be better and more stable. Millions of tons of waste a year create landfills. By reusing, reducing, and recycling, you've reduced pollution. So if we implement changes and create crafts and planners, perhaps out of simple water bottles, we could all try to implement that in our daily lives and provide a clean environment. Sometimes doing something so small can make a tremendous difference. So, as we break,
the Nancy Carroll
let me
Roberts
know
Memorial
when you
Library will be closing in 15 minutes. Please return all equipment and visit the front desk for checkouts. The computer lab will shut down in 5 minutes.
So as we break, think about how much you reuse, reduce, and recycle. And then can you possibly do more? Thank you.